Some call it love handles or hate handles. Others call it spare tires, muffin top or middle age spread. Those are extra flesh bulging around our waistline. They don't represent any attractiveness. Today's workout combination is very effective at eliminating these love handles. We will start with scissors kick. The exercise will last just 30 seconds.
Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
This exercise will last 30 seconds too. While sitting with your butt on the floor and hands wrapped around your head, try pedaling your legs in the air.
I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety.
Please pay close attention to the way all the exercises are demonstrated.
Glad you don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
12 seconds left.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking
Time off. Rest.
never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna.
Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Go!
The standing oblique slides is an excellent way to work your abdominal and core muscles while standing, without engaging on any form of sit-ups. When doing the standing oblique slides exercise, stand tall with your legs half open and your arms raised straight up. Drop your left hand on your left lap and slide your body to the left side while your right hand is still up. Then, return to the starting position. You'll feel a little contraction and a stretch on the side as you return to the starting position. Repeat the process on the right side.
I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'm a beast of the net. They can never be me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop.
12 seconds left.
I can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Time off. Rest.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me,
Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
This exercise will also last 30 seconds. Take a plank position, then raise your right hand and leg diagonally. Do the same for the left side.
Freezing so cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Let us know in the comment section how often you work out to keep fit and the country you're watching from.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got
12 seconds left.
Need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings, I'ma be fine.
Time off. Rest.
Feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off.
Note: if you're a beginner, you don't have to perform any of the exercises too hard and fast. You can start slow and easy, but remain consistent through the course. Please watch closely how all the exercises are performed.
Seconds left. Time off. Rest. Upcoming workout.
3, 2, 1, 0. Go!
To effectively achieve a physiological result through the fitness program, certain yoga practices may be integrated into the program. This is because yoga uplifts the mind, which is the engine needed to work the body. The yoga for this program will not only help to eliminate those unwanted flesh around the waist, but also loosen up the body and mind to be fit for the challenges ahead.
Seconds left. You might regret if you don't see this next workout scheme.